from 11th. 11th is the inaugural session, and to share more details, I have with me Industries Minister M.B. Patil. Sir, a big ticket investors meet is happening in Bangalore. What do you have to say about it?
This investors meet is held in a total different time. It is challenging times. So that's why we have had this caption, Reimagining Growth. Why reimagining growth? Because today we are in a stage that all our world is to go towards tech-driven, green, inclusive, and more importantly, resilient. Because we are in a situation, why I say challenging times is, there is a war in Ukraine and Russia, then Israel, Gaza, Trump taking over his policy, China +1, 2 years of Corona, and more importantly, artificial intelligence coming in, clean mobility coming in, EVs and green hydrogen will take center of this one. Olive, diesel, petrol, all those fossil fuels will be done away. So these are challenging times. How do you adapt to that? So they have a very strong system which has to be resilient to all these changes. So we have this investors meet in these challenging times. As you know, 10th is going to be the inaugural session, 4 p.m. The Honorable Governor is will be having his auspicious presence. CM Siddaramaiah ji will be presiding over, and the Defence Minister Sri Rajnath Singh ji will be inaugurating it. Many central ministers are going to participate, some on 12th, some on 13th, some on 14th, and some on 14th. So, and state ministers and industrialist bigwigs, all Anand Mahindra, Kiran Majumdar, Birlas, all of them will be participating in this meet. And we do have hoping around 10 lakh crores of investments, genuine investments, which will be at least 17% converted to investments, not on paper, on reality. Second, 12th and 13th are 2 days of serious business where there will be a semi-connect. And 12th evening there is going to be a award function. We are going to award those industries who have contributed for Karnataka's growth. So 13th is also a this one, and Venturize both days. We are having 25 plus seminars, roundtables, including there was Queen City, there will be a roundtable. 14th and 13th evening is going to be a semi awards, and 14th is going to be the concluding sermon where the Venturize awards also will be given. So 19 countries are joining us with us, partnership with us. 9 are having their pavilions here. So it is going to be a very meaningful forum. 60 plus speakers will be participating in this seminars. They will be giving their lectures, they will be giving their insights. That's all what Karnataka. And Karnataka, as you know, we are the leaders in IT, BT, we are number 1 in electronics, we are number 1 in the machine tools, we are number 1 in aerospace and defense. So we'd like to be the leaders in India, and also we compete with the gold.
Karnataka has always been a very fertile ground for industries to come up. Yeah. What are the kind of challenges that came across, sir, and how are you mitigating it?
See, now I told, no, these are challenging times, what I said. Now there's going to be semiconductor, artificial intelligence will come right from central, your mobile manufacturing to heavy industries. Everywhere artificial intelligence will come into play. Then all your automobile, this one will be this one. We have a strong now industrial policy is going to be unveiled, where we are going to offer a flexible incentive, either production linked or capital based, anything they can choose. Then we are going to incentives to employment, and more incentives for women employment, and R&D, which is converted into manufacturing here. They are going to get additional 10% incentives. And for sustainability practices and net zero industries go up for green manufacturing, they will be given incentives. We are going to have a single window portal which is been developed by Microsoft, where it's going to make things easy. It will be linked with every department. Time taken will be reduced to half at least. and very simplistic, and everything will be available on one touch of a button. It will change the ease of doing business. Will be one of the best state to be do.
This is the first global investors or Invest Karnataka which is happening. What is the follow-up? What are the conversions? Is it good?
Meet also minus there were around 2,40,000 crores of green hydrogen MOUs. Green hydrogen, we didn't have the infrastructure, evacuation facilities, etc. So naturally that has not materialized. Minus that, there is a fair 50-60% even previous years also. This time we will be having at 70% plus.
Any big ticket project like Foxconn?
That will be announcing in this one on the day.
So which are the three sectors that you're looking at?
We are not restrained to any this one. We are going to look for all sectors. Investors are coming in all sectors, and we are inviting investment from all sectors. We are not restricted to any one sector. All sectors and all countries, we are going to have investments. Thank you.